Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the lifelong 750-watt sandwich maker. The model number for this particular sandwich maker is LLSM120G. There's an image of the sandwich maker right on the box, as you can see. This particular sandwich maker comes with 1 year of warranty as well. Let's quickly take a look at some other specifications. Actually not much over here outside the fact that this particular sandwich maker comes with overheating safety, low fat cooking, and it's 100% safe. Anything else? No, that's more or less it. I will open this box and show you what's inside. There you go. This is what the sandwich maker looks like. There are a couple of documents over here as well. So this is the user manual for the 750-watt sandwich maker from Lifelong. All the information that you want to know, safety information, description of parts, operating instructions, technical data, etc. is all listed here. Speaking of which, technical data, it's written power is 750 watt, which I mentioned earlier, and operating voltage is 220 to 240 volts. Not just that, there's also a 6 months extended warranty from Lifelong as well. Now let's take a look at the sandwich maker. So this is what it looks like. It has this glossy black finish to it. Okay, so this part is metallic, the underside seems to be plastic. It also comes with these two rubber stops, and not just that, this particular module, which is basically your heating module, also acts as a support base as well. Okay, there are two indicators here. Basically this will inform you when your sandwich is ready. Not just that, there is a pretty thick cable at the end that also has a 3-pin socket on one end. Let's take a look inside. To open this, you just have to basically use this clip over here. That's it, and we are now good to go. This is the heating tray. This is a non-stick heating tray, that it's a ceramic coated heating tray in fact. And so the idea is that when you want to make a sandwich, you put your slices of bread with all the ingredients inside, and then lock it down and you're good to go. So this is it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the Lifelong 750-watt sandwich maker. Model number is LLSM120G. Thank you for watching.